Good morning, lovely artists. Today you're working with a new brush. So you're going to find that this brush feels very weird. It's kind of stiff, okay? So you're just going to bend it a little bit like this, and then you're going to dip it into your water. Listen to that. There we go. And then your brush is ready to go. Now remember, these are nice new brushes. Remember what we learned. This is not a scrubbing brush. No, 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 this is not a toothbrush. No, no, no. So you're going to pretend that this is a ballerina, and your ballerina is going to do a beautiful dance on the paper. Let's get started. Okay, I've got lots and lots of paint going on here. So first thing I want you guys to do is to go very slowly with your brush. Watch how my ballerina is dancing. And I'm making a big snaky curvy line. All right, when you have done that, you're going to make a dashed line like that. Very good. Go nice and slow now. Then we're going to make a nice zigzag like this. Careful now to put more paint on your brush and go slow, slow, slow. There we are. We've done a zigzag. Very good. And now we're going to try the loop. Are you guys ready? And up and loop it round and up and loop it round and up. Whoa, good job. Loop it round. Oh, just enough space for another loop. Very nice. And over here, we're going to make a skinny, careful now, a skinny zigzag. Look at this. Whoa, I need some more paint. Don't worry if you blob some paint like that. And I'm going to just make my skinny zigzag like that. Very good. Okay, oh, drop some more paint. Never mind. And now I'm going to do some smaller dots over here. And I'm just going to fix that. So guys, if you make a mistake or some paint blobs, just paint it in. See? It's disappeared. It was a happy accident. Okay, and I'm going to clean my brush. Now you guys are going to get some pastels that look like this. Ooh, I don't know if you've ever used these before. They're kind of strange. So you're going to pick a color, and I want you to... It's almost like a crayon, but not quite. So you're going to use it. You're going to see a lot of powdery stuff coming off it, okay? So you're going to go in one direction, and I want you guys to color only where you see the white. Do you see that? Only where you see the white. You're going to color very, very carefully. And then when you finish coloring, you're going to take a finger. Do you see how I'm rubbing to the edges? You're going to take your finger and you're going to rub it. Isn't that amazing? That's what pastels do. And then you can blow. Okay, I'm going to finish working with my pastel colors. So I'm going to color this with my pastel. Go, go, go. Color, color, color. Till I get to the end. Color, color, color. Then you're going to take your finger and you're just softly going to move it off the paper like that. Okay, time for another color. I'm going to pick this green and I'm going to do the same thing over here. I'm going to go in between my painted section. Very carefully, don't touch the paint. Control your pastel, don't touch the paint, okay? So we're going to go in between like this. Very good. Keep going. Keep on filling it in. And there we go. Okay, and I'm going to use my finger to finish it off. Do you see how I'm painting around the edges? It's very soft. Pastel makes it look very soft. Oh, what shall I use now? I think I'm going to use a darker... No. Look at this. I'm going to use a purple now. So I'm going to go here very carefully. And I'm going to just use my pastel. Be very careful not to touch the paint, okay? I'm going to go in between my pastel like this. There we go. all the way in between, and then I'm going to just use my finger and I'm going to go all the way to the bottom. There we go. And then I'm going to color in between over here as well. Look at that. All the way down, over there, and all the way there. Wow, that's looking really, really nice. And now I'm going to use a different color. I've got a darker blue. Do exactly the same thing. Coloring in very carefully. Not going to touch any of the black. I'm going to keep going. I'm going to keep going until we have finished. There we go. Then I'm going to take my finger and I'm just going to rub in between like that to fill it in. Oh, and now I'm going to use one more color. I'm going to use a yellow over here. Be careful now, guys. There we go. That's it. I'm going to color carefully now. Don't touch. Only touch the white parts, okay? There we go. Only going to color where it is white. Don't touch the black. And I'm going to take my finger and I'm just going to blend. This is called blending. Very carefully. You're going to get mucky hands, but we can wash them afterwards. Just going to blend. And I'm going to use one more color for over here, and I'm going to do exactly the same thing. I'm going to go like this, and I'm going to go like this. I'm going to blend. There we go. Be careful about the paint. I'm going to blend. I'm going to color, color, color. Make sure that I've colored all of this with pastel. And I'm going to blend it like that. Wow, look how nice that looks. Good job, guys.